Okay, this is a quick overview of the internal part of the application manager, and this is the login screen. Here's the URL for logging into the internal system. We'll go ahead and put in our username, and that's typically the first part of your email, and then your password. If you do forget your password, there's a way to get your password reset. We'll go ahead and slide down and click on Go. And that puts us into the main part of the system. Now you notice up here, I'm logged into Scott Yankton, but I'm not working on any position. There are really three parts of the system that are the most important, and they are user, position, and applicant. And so really to get started, we're going to go ahead and most of the time you'll be doing this also, is selecting a position. And when I click on select position, it brings up all the positions that I'm able to work on. So in this case, I'll go ahead and select cinema and slide down and click on Go. And this gives me access to this position. Now you'll also notice that almost everything is done here on this left-hand navigation right here. For every user, you'll have a different set of capabilities here, some more, some less, but all that you have available will be here. So we've selected a position, and I told you the three most critical pieces of this application are position, user, and applicant. So we'll go ahead and take a look at creating and editing a position. So I'll just give you a quick taste because this is just an overview and there's more detailed video on this specifically. But this is where you would edit a current position, and it also looks a lot like creating a position. So this is where you would set it up. The next area would be user. This is your user section down here. If you want to create a new user or edit a user, it's very simple. You put in their 10-digit ID here, the login, which is typically their first part of their email address, name, then their email and a password to add the user. That would be enough for a reviewer. But if you wanted to get more detailed on what you wanted them to have the ability to do, you could click here on Edit Permissions, which is a detailed listing of all their permissions. I apologize, I'll show you that really quick. And notice I was able to search and find the user I wanted. And these are all the specific capabilities. And then down here are the schools. And again, there'll be a video that explains this in detail. So I've showed you two. I've showed you user and I've showed you position, and now applicant. So when applications come into the system, they all go here to what is called the review screen. And this is where your faculty review team will be looking at different applicants and rating them or making comments on them. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the system. That's it. There'll be other videos that detail the individual sections in much more detail. Thank you.